Hey guys, it's me Khadija and welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually gonna be unboxing a Hayabusa exhaust. I don't really know what it is, but I think it's like maybe a bike part. I'm gonna be unboxing this, and later we're gonna be installing it into the bike, and we're gonna be showing you the sound before and after. Here it is. And I was right, this is a bike bar and other little parts. This is the exhaust, and soon we are going to be showing you, we're going to install this and show you the sound before and after later. Hey guys, we're outside. This is my dad's bike, and this is the sound before installing the exhaust. Before. Okay guys, we're back, and the new exhaust has been installed. My dad installed it, and now I'm not excited to see how loud this is gonna be. I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell notification so you'll never miss an episode. Bye guys!